installing the digital logbook. Double click this application and you can see here that you can click the next button. These are the prerequisites to be installed in installing the digital logbook. We have the Experience, the Extreme, and Microsoft SQL Server. Since we already have installed the Experience and the Extreme, I will just install the Microsoft SQL Server. But if you have not installed the Experience and the Extreme, do not remove the checkbox. Click Next and just follow the on-screen instructions. The speed of the installation depends on the computer that you are using. So this will appear and then you just click yes. Okay, click this new SQL Server standalone installation and then wait for this box to appear. Click the I accept license terms, then click next and then just click next. Okay, let's wait for it to be downloaded. It is scanning for product updates, downloading the setup files, and then extracting the setup files, which is in progress right now. After that, it will install the setup files. Okay, it's distracting. Let's wait for it to finish. And then after that, it will go to the install setup files operation automatically. So extracting setup files is not completed. We are now going to install the setup files for Microsoft SQL Server. Waiting for the installation to finish. Let's wait for the installation to finish. By the way, when the installation is finished, the application is easier to load than the installation. Installation is a little bit long because of all the prerequisite files that is installing on the computer. But after the installation, when using the digital logbook app, it would be so much faster and easier. Okay, we're almost done. Just a little bit more. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the next step. Okay, since these are already checked, we just click next and then just click next, click next, and then just click next, next. Okay, now it's a little bit faster and we're almost done with the installation. There, almost done. Okay, as you can see, everything here is succeeded. Just click the close button and then you can close this window and then we can continue on installing the digital logbook. Okay, just click next and then next and then install. Yes, and then launch. Validate. Okay. So this is what will appear on the screen, giving you the machine ID and waiting for you to encode the licensee. So what will happen here is that you will send this machine ID to us and then we will send back the licensee key to so that we can use the digital logbook after the licensing. Okay, so that's it. That's the proper way to install this application. After the licensing, it will run without this machine ID anymore. So I'll just exit it and close this application. And as you can see, contact tracing app is already here. Just right click and run as administrator. Yes, and validate. So still waiting for the license key. So that's it.